Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Hyundai Veloster. It's getting very rare now, and this is lovely. Really good specification. Never seen one with this high specification. We've had a few recently. Finished in lovely metallic red. Love the red inserts. That's how they come from the factory with the alloy wheels. See, bodywork is in lovely condition for its age and mileage. Rear parking sensors. Extras. Literally just arrived. It's yet to be serviced and MOT. It's going to have a full valet. So it's in lovely condition. Boot area is lovely. Parcel shelf, rear boot line all in lovely condition. And like I say, it's where it gets interesting. So you got rear parking sensors. It's got the fastest tilt side panoramic roof I've ever seen. Full leather interior, embossed with Veloster. Also, don't forget, this is a car with 3 doors on this side. And 2 doors on this side. Sorry, 1 door on this side. Oh God. Just start the car up. So it's got satellite navigation. That's rare. Tilt side panoramic roof. As you can see, fastest one in the world. It's only done 60,450 miles. Lovely air conditioning, up fairly nice and cold. Aux and a USB. 6-speed gearbox. So, Bluetooth connectivity. Cruise control. Absolutely loaded. Electric windows, mirrors. All your books and everything there. So lovely, rare, low mileage Hyundai Veloster with top spec. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For requiring further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.